morning, students. In your chapter, this perimeter and area problem set 50. We studied this first and second one question. Then today you see here this third one question. Problem set 50. Third example. The side of a square is 4 cm, length of a rectangle is 8 cm and its width is 2 cm. Find the perimeter and area of the both figures. Here side of the square is 4 cm given, L or B is also given. Then you find out here perimeter and area of square and perimeter and area of this rectangle. So here first one, side of square. Side of square, here 4 cm. Then you write here formula first upon perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Then side here 4 cm, 4 4 is 16 cm. Then area of square. Area of square means side into side. 4 into 4 4 is 16 centimeter square. Then here L and B also given. L is equal to 8 centimeter. B is equal to 2 centimeter. Then perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to formula 2 into L plus B. Then 2 into here L 8 plus B 2. 2 into 8 plus 2 10. 20 centimeter. Then area of square rectangle. L into B 16 centimeter square. See here, perimeter and area of this square, perimeter and area of this rectangle. Then fifth one, see. The picture alongside shows more squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. This third one. Then fourth one, see. Fourth one example you see in this problem set 50. Fourth one. What will be the labor of cost of laying the floor of assembly hall that is 16 centimeter long and 12 meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 8 rupees. Here L is given 16 meter, B also given 12 meter. Then square meter, here area is equal to area of rectangle, L into B 16 into 12. 16 into 12. Then 16 into 12 192 meter square. Then the cost of 1 square meter is 80 rupees. 80 rupees. Then 192 square meter is equal to 192 into 80. Then how many rupees here? Answer is here 15,360 rupees. 15,360 rupees. Then fifth one, see this figure. Rectangle. Here this figure you see here. The picture alongside shows more squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. In the empty space in the figure, how many boxes here. See here. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means these 3. L and B is 2. 3 into 2. L is equal to 3. B is equal to 2. Mean L into B is equal to 3 into 2. 6 centimeter. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then see here the length of this, all figure this 4 into 3, 6 centimeter. 4 into 3. Already here all boxes here 1, 2, 3, 4 and these 3 length and B means 4 into 3 is equal to 12 centimeter square. Then you do here minus 12 all this area of this rectangle, then this remaining 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 centimeter square. Then below answer right here 6 squares will the fit in the empty space in the figure. Means here how many squares will fit in the empty space in the figure? Here 6 squares. 6 squares. See here 1, 2, 3 and these 2. 3 2s are 6. Then again 1 6 1 question remains. See this figure. See this figure. See this figure. Divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts in a such way that the area and shape of each part is the same. Then color the parts with the different color. See here. You color the different parts of this. Here find the area and shape of each part of this here. You combine these squares, then how many here? 2 into 2. L is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, means 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter square. Then divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts. Into 4 parts in such way that the area and shape of each part is the same. Then color the parts with the different colors. Then you give here the color of these different colors of these remaining squares. Then this empty space of this area is equal to 4 centimeter square. Then here problem set 50 completed. Here whole chapter this perimeter and area this chapter completed. In homework you complete this problem set 50.